Hello, my dear students. Welcome once again in English language class for Standard 12. So, my dear students, in my last class, I discussed about question number 2B of your question paper. So, that is proposal writing, which is a compulsory item. Also, in question number 2A, you will be getting a directed writing. Now, students, directed writing in this particular writing item, actually for standard 12, it will be consist of 20 marks, and for standard 11, a bit change has been done by ISC that it will be of 15 marks. So, in this directed writing, what you to do? What is expected from you to do? Remember that in this particular item, you have to do certain things like select, amplify, condensing, describe, present arguments, rearrange, and restate. So, these are the following words which you have to focus while attempting this particular answers. My dear students, you remember that like proposal writing, it is also mark fetching if you take care of certain points in your mind while attempting those. And because due to this situation, now to get fetch more marks, actually you need to practice daily. So after I discuss, I hope that you please practice some of the items regularly so that it will enhance your creativity as well as you can fetch marks. So another important, very important point, often you have an idea that the students who are getting full marks, probably they might be writing very bombastic words or very extra. Students, remember that getting marks in English, you have to focus on 2 points. One is that must write the correct English. Correct tense structure must be maintained. If you write correct English, may not be used that altogether different words, and particularly this directed writing, you will be getting certain points to develop. So those points should be touched, each and every point should be touched in your answer. Don't forget that every point should be touched. So, now in this particular category, actually there are several writing items have been included by ISC. Among them, report writing might be there, article writing might be there, speech writing will be there, review writing will be there, like film review, book review, etc. Personal profile is also there. So, my dear students, remember that in today's class, I will be discussing about report writing. So, report writing may be a reporting of an event, maybe a report of a crime, maybe a newspaper report. What are the things you have to remember while attempting a report writing? Expand the information provided. Certain points have been given, you have to expand those. Select relevant points, add new information. Also, not only that, you have to develop the points given, but also you can add new information applicable which are appropriate, and rearrange and summarize into an attractive account. All these things must be there. And once again, I am repeating that it should be written in a very simple style. And remember that whatever the topic will be given, don't give any personal comments on or any direct appeal to the reader. These 2 points you please remember, written in a simple, correct grammatical structure. Also, you should not provide any personal comments or any direct appeal to the readers. I hope you remember while writing this. So, now let's come to the format. So, format, two things are important. One is heading, another one is byline. So byline, that means a staff reporter or a staff correspondent. You can write a staff reporter or a staff correspondent. I have shown in a slide that how you will start, that I have shown in taken a question. Later on I will show you. So in a report writing, it will be consist of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Take it granted if 3 paragraphs you are writing. So first paragraph of introduction. Now introduction, you will be including the points. Already you have written byline there, the staff reporter. In the introduction, place, name of the place, date of occurrence or the incident, what happened, you will write. Then actually the main all the details information will be in the body of the report, that means in the second paragraph. And in this second paragraph you have to answer certain WH questions. Here you see I have written certain WH questions which you have to answer, that is what happened, when happened, where happened, how happened, who are the people involved, why did it happen, others details. So maximum in the body you have to answer all the WH questions regarding the topic. And then the last paragraph, it will be a conclusion paragraph where you will write the rescue work, eyewitness accounts and comments on the government or authority. Like eyewitness, suppose an accident occurred, so near about a shop is there, so somebody, the shop owner, the shopkeeper is the eyewitness, so he commented something, and those eyewitness comments you may use inverted comma and write directly that the shopkeeper nearby commented or said, comma quotation, I have seen suddenly the bus came with a rough speed and collided with the auto. So like that you can write and quotation closed. I hope you understand what I wanted to mean. Then action taken, rescue work, and once again I have pointed over here, no personal comments you will give while writing report writing. Okay, so now move to the next slide. Now here you see, for your better understanding I have given a questions, so I will show you that how exactly. I have not written the answers, but I will guide you here how you have, suppose this will be the question, how to develop those. So if suppose this question you see, using the notes given below with a report on the following incident under the title bus hits passengers at airport. So my dear students, here you see the title has already been given, that means your work has been done. But in case you may not get in all the questions the title already been given in the hints, so in that case you have to find out a suitable title for the given uh, outlines. So what are the things you have to include? That the points have been given: date and time, modernization work, Biju Patnaik International Airport, bus hit, departure terminal, gate number 2, 11:30 p.m. Canadian national killed, 5 injured, victims booked on, Moscow found flight, taking out luggage, eyewitness accounts, statement of an officer, victims rushed to hospital, Canadian declared dead. So these are the also in question paper you might be getting, you may include other relevant details which you find suitable for that particular topic. Now to develop this into a report, let's watch this. Though I told I have not written, just to show you how to start. You see, so first the heading, then by a staff reporter. So by in the middle also you can write, or a bit right hand side also you can write. Then place, date, you have to write like this. Here suppose Biju Patnaik Airport, that means Bhubaneswar, so I have written Bhubaneswar, comma 12th July, comma 2020, and I put a semicolon, not semicolon, sorry, colon I have used, you see. So put a colon over there and you see the dots. I hope it is clear to you. So this dots refers to that from then and there you have to start immediately after the colon. Don't come to the next line. These are the small points you have to remember, my dear students. So you will immediately start over there, and you see where the first paragraph, here you point, you see where the first paragraph ends, then the second paragraph you will start from here, then suppose second paragraph continues, and then third paragraph you start and put a full stop. I hope it is clear to you. So suppose this particular, so it is bus hits airport, passengers at airport. So once again I am turning to the slides of the questions. You see, if you remember the questions, and now suppose this is the question paper. So what we have to do? We have to first give the title, then byline, then place, date. After immediately the colon, we will start writing that there was a chaos at Biju Patnaik airport caused by, second point was modernization work. So caused by modernization work. So you can write like that, bus hit. So a bus name has been mentioned. So bus carrying crew members of certain airlines hit people waiting right outside gate number 2, terminal 2, around whatever the timing has been given, 11:30 p.m. So a Canadian national was killed and five others were injured. The victims were booked on a Moscow-bound flight, were taking out luggage from an inter-terminal transfer coach. So they were taking out the luggage. During that time, this incident occurred. Then second paragraph, as I mentioned you, if you remember the slides, body of the report. Once again, I am showing you that here you have to answer all the WH questions. That means what happened already in the first paragraph, you have given certain informations. Then in the second paragraph, you have to answer all the WH questions. So to answer to these questions, now what are the WH questions? Maybe see once again the points that again you can write the bus carrying the cabin crew should not have been there in the first place and had the plans to ban buses carrying airline crew and airport staff from the departure terminal been implemented. Then when it happened, while already, and how it happened, all those things, all WH questions you have to answer over there. And in the last paragraph, the conclusion paragraph, so you see rescue work, eyewitness accounts, action taken, no personal comments you have to write. So sorry my dear students, here rescue work has been repeated. You don't repeat this by mistake, it has been repeated. So here suppose eyewitness that rescue work, suppose the airport authority immediately took the injured to the hospital. Even the suppose one has been written Canadian national killed, so that man was taken to the hospital, but on the way he died. His condition was serious, and others were seriously injured, but they would get survived. And then suppose government, not government, but we can say that suppose an airport authority declared some compensation for the victims. So you can write, mention over there. Then also the eyewitness account, suppose one of the airport person authority was present over there and he might have given certain statement, that also putting inverted comma you can write over here. So I hope so. And then also you can write that government has ordered an inquiry of the incident. Government has also a role because it is inside Odisha, so definitely government has a role. So government has what you can write, ordered an inquiry about the incident. So I hope, my dear students, it is clear for you how to write a report writing. So now, there is very rare chances for us to give the questions and to see and to write, but it is my kind request. Please practice those. The questions that will be available in the previous year's questions, please practice those. Or you suppose in everyday newspaper, the best example to make it perfect your report writing, you can take a look of the newspaper, English newspaper, so that you can make a perfect attempt of this particular item. Thank you and have a nice day.